Welcome to Galle Dutch Fort, one of Sri Lanka's most iconic landmark of UNESCO World Heritage Site. Located along the southern coastline, this historic fort stands as a remarkable symbol of colonial history, cultural harmony, and natural beauty. Originally, it built by Portuguese in the 16th century and later fortified by the Dutch in the 17th century. The Galle Dutch Fort showcases impressive colonial architecture, massive stones, ramparts, bastions, and well-planned streets. As you walk through the fort, you will discover old churches, mosques, museums, lighthouse views, and elegant colonial-era buildings that reflect centuries of European and South Asian influences. Beyond its historic significance, Galle Fort is surrounded by the Indian Ocean, offering some of the most breathtaking coastal views in Sri Lanka. The ocean breeze, waves, and panoramic scenery create a peaceful atmosphere. Watching the sunset over the Indian Ocean from the Galle Fort is an unforgettable experience. Golden skies and glowing ramparts come together in perfect harmony. Join Speedbird's adventures as we explore the history, culture, UNESCO heritage sites, and natural beauty of Sri Lanka.